Whether you're learning to play a new instrument or investing in the stock market, discipline is a fundamental part of your journey. The best way to build discipline is to create a set of rules to guide you. It doesn't matter if you're a rock star or a retail investor, that discipline and those rules will keep you grounded, help pinpoint opportunities, and allow you to manage your risk. Start developing your rules by asking yourself a few simple questions. How much should you invest in an individual trade? The answer: keep it fluid. Your overall investment depends on the stock you're looking at, its history, how it moves in relation to the market, and many other factors. A little later on, we'll cover how those individual components influence your trade amounts and where you can be flexible with your trade cap. When you're just starting out, though, cap your individual investments at about 2% of your portfolio. Early on, 2% is generally a low-risk sum that won't rock your financial foundations if the investment goes awry. And hey, since you're only investing 2% of your portfolio on individual trades, you'll have plenty of leftover capital to invest in a lot of different places. That means you can and should spread your investments around. In other words, keep your portfolio diverse. Here's another good question to ask yourself. How much cash should you keep in your portfolio? Again, stay fluid. We recommend keeping about 30% of your portfolio liquid. You could go over or dip below that amount from time to time depending on your strategy, but 30% is a good starting point. And there you go, 3 good rules for new investors. Don't spend more than 2% of your portfolio on a single trade. Diversify, 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 and try to keep 30% of your portfolio liquid. As you move through the course, we'll give you more rules to consider, so it's a good idea to start keeping a list. Luckily, we've got one for you. Before jumping into the next video, download the ROI Rules worksheet and jot down some of the guidelines you'll follow as an investor.